everybody. Today I am doing another bright gold painting. I really enjoyed that process of dropping the paint down into one solid color. So today's solid color will be the Deco Art 24 karat gold. I did have to mix in some of the Liquitex Basics gold because I'm out of this, which is a bummer because this is really, really beautiful and the effects are awesome. So it means I have to go to the store and buy some more. Anyways, here is, so the next color that will be dropped in is the silver by Deco Art, their Bright Metallics paint. And for this one, I did drop in a few small drops of the silver metallic medium by Liquitex acrylic medium because I felt like this was just too light and it almost looked like a white pearl. So I wanted to darken it up just a little bit. And now for my copper, I mixed in this Fire Opal by Folk Art with a few drops of the Iridescent Copper by Golden. This color is it's just beautiful. So I'm looking to see how much this spreads into the paint. So my last color is the Pewter by Amsterdam's Acrylic Specialties. And I did add in a few drops of my Iridescent Golden Bronze. So this is like a smoky pewter to me. But I liked this color a lot when I used it a while ago. So everything is mixed with Floetrol and water. And there is also gloss medium in everything but the pewter. So this is new to my collection and I just really wanted to try Golden's formula for that. So wish me luck on this one. I think I'm gonna get gold everywhere, which is fine because it's beautiful. So here we go. All right, here we go. My favorite flip cup. This is a lot of paint. So I don't see any of the pewter, which of course not because it's very close to the gold. So I'm just going to put a little bit in and see what happens. Alright, well, I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to scrape this entire painting and start over. Yep. Look away if this part disturbs you. Believe it or not, I only had to add a little bit of gold into this from mixing up all those pints and putting it back in my cup. The copper and the silver and the pewter didn't do a thing. The color is almost exactly the same. It actually might be just a little bit darker. That's why I added some more gold into it. I actually decided at the last minute that I would keep this a little bit thicker than the other three colors, so that way this would sink more to the bottom and the other colors would come up. I I actually tried to make this a very neat painting this time. Fresh paper and everything, and it didn't work, did it? So the background is now gold for my paper, and I did my best to stay neat. I really am not messy in life. I just find that this medium to work with is messy, and that you can do your best to try to stay neat, but it is a messy art form. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm not touching it. I love this right here. I do wish I had put a little bit more of this copper in here, copper bronze, but I love it the way it is. All right, stay tuned for the dried results.